Okay.
Hoot hoot. Alright. You know your butt was in that shot.
No. Oh no.
I think some snot came out of my nose.
That's not.
Ray. It's kind of fun. Hi. It is currently. Oh wait, where's my phone? Oh good. Okay, I got my phone, got my coffee. It is 8:40 and I have a lesson at 10 in the morning. So, I'm gonna have to wake up Jacob. I feel really bad. I think he was up pretty late playing Apex. I think that's, yeah, Apex. Nerd stuff. But I just wanted to say hello. Wasn't really planning to vlog today. It's pretty gross. It's a gloomy day. I feel gross, but it's also a very gross and gloomy day. The weather's just reflecting my inner self right now. Fridays are luckily my somewhat lighter days. I am just trying to take it slow, drink my coffee. What else am I doing today? The coffee hasn't kicked in yet. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing well, and I'll take y'all along. Oh, too close, too close. There we go. All right. Just going to try and not look so gross. That's a little better. All right. So peaceful. Not for long. It's time. Babe. Baby. I actually have to go now soon. I'm gonna get coffee ready for you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, he finally got out of bed. I'm gonna make the bed real quick and start practicing. Ah! Oh, hello. Just say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog.
Your butt was in that shot. Jacob thought he was.
It's just my cheeks. Oh no. Oh no.
I think some snot came out of my nose.
That's hilarious.
Oof. Now, my Zoom is all successfully ready to go. Recorder,
That's dumb.
which is also called Zoom, and the Zoom. Gotta warm up shoulders. Hands. Oh, stretch. Hoot hoot. All right. It's lesson time. Join meeting. I'm nervous. Hi, good morning. How are you?
Good, how are you doing?
Not bad.
Not bad, okay.
Okay, there we go.
What are we doing today?
Today, so I have the A minor Bach sonata, and I just started the fugue, so I have like 45 measures of it that I would like to.
Okay, let's do it.
So, fa, mi, re, mi, fa, sol, re, re, E flat, B flat, B flat. No! In the wrong key. Come on.
Wednesday that work through some of those exercises. I think I'll make a practice quiz, even though practice worksheet number 4.
Okay, so I'm actually technically done today, but I still need to practice and hopefully get around to recording. Chevsky, movement 4, take 2. Okay, Chevsky, movement 4, third take. Chevsky, movement 11, the beginning. Chevsky, movement 11, violin solo, take 2. All right, break. So, I'm gonna go outside. I'm going to face this awful weather. And I'm gonna go grab some crunchy veggies. Like, if I could find some bean sprouts, that would be cool. So like broccoli or bean sprouts for the stir fry. All right, we're going on an adventure. Like 2 blocks. Got my bag. All right, babe. You're not coming with?
No.
Oh,
I got the
okay.
dishes, baby girl. I got chores.
Okay.
Ooh, maybe you could bring home
Let's go.
some tasty dessert.
No. We're gonna make some hot dog. That's so much sugar. Is it supposed to be this sticky? Batter is smooth. Okay. Why in the picture it looks like it just makes a perfect little circle. I can't even. It's not becoming a circle. Maybe I need to add more water. Can you heat up the pan?
You're doing so good.
Kinda looks like all hot dog. Hot dog.
I like how in every single frame where you're perfectly in frame, if I get like the same distance as you from the camera, I'm completely out of the shot.
Remember where the mayor, is it the mayor? They never show the face of the mayor. Or not the mayor, sorry, the woman. Like the woman with, next to the short
I
mayor.
didn't watch that cartoon.
No, never mind. But yeah, that's what you are.
I was
It's kind of fun. 사랑하는 엄마님. 생신을 축하합니다. 오늘 뭐 해? 맛있는 거 먹어?
아침 먹고 지금 이제 설거지하고 있어.
아.